Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I like to basically have a discussion with you guys, and this is pertaining to the iPhone 11. As you can see here guys, or you might not be able to tell, but this is actually an iPhone 11, and the issue I like to talk about is has nothing to do today with software but more of a hardware issue, and I'd like to just bring this to the forefront as a problem I'm noticing with the quality control on the iPhone 11. Now, of course, the issue I'm talking about is basically the paint chipping issue. Now, I don't know if you have ever heard about this paint chipping issue, but it seems to be an issue where after doing some research, I've found that I noticed it first with my device, and then after a while, I did some research and found out that the iPhone 11s do suffer from a paint chipping issue. Now, the paint chipping issue usually shows up around specific areas, and the specific areas are the camera, and of course at the base where the charge port is, along with the SIM slot. All right, so let me just show you right here, and if you can look very carefully, you'll notice the lens, and then right around the lens, I'll try to zoom this up so you can actually see much clearer. There you go guys. If you look very carefully, you'll notice there's some amount of chipping that's taking place around the camera lens, and you can see it also at the secondary lens right down here. And this chipping is as a result of this natural wear and tear according to Apple, but I beg to differ in terms of the fact that I've noticed that, for example, I had my device in a case the entire time from the first time it was bought, and the only place I've placed this particular phone is actually inside of a bag, right? Otherwise it's been kept in mint condition inside of its case, and suddenly I noticed that there was a chipping around the camera lens itself. Now, of course, I do not know, guys, if any of you are having the same issue. So if anybody else has an iPhone 11, can you just comment to share your experience if you are experiencing this chip? It seems to just happen at random. It has nothing to do with you and the care of your phone. For example, as I said, I have cared this device. It's kept in its case. It's not used, and it may from time to time be placed inside of a bag, and that's about it. I noticed there's no damage around here, so if it was actually a bag or something like keys, it should have also damaged this section here, and it did not. It's only the specific chipping right around the lens. I see no claw marks or scratches along the glassy section here, but of course it's chipping right here. I heard that this also happened with the iPhone 7 back in the past. It's happening now with the iPhone 11, and of course I do not know if it happens with the 12. It might happen with the 12, and it might happen with the 13 as well. Apple does say it's nothing, it's just a cosmetic scratch. But of course, guys, if you spend so much on your device, you'd expect that it would maintain its quality. I have other devices, and they do not have any scratches or unnecessary scratches such as this. And this is chipping. That's a major flaw. So Apple may want to look into the quality control to find out why this is happening, and actually go about trying to do something about it. So it happens around the lens. You can also check for it around the port, although I don't really count the port, as ports naturally get wear as soon as you're placing in the charger, but you can check around your ports. And of course, let me just remove the case. All right guys, so it's said to happen mainly around the camera lens, and of course it can happen at the base, the charge port. Hard to focus, let me give me a second here guys. It can happen at the charge port, at the base, or of course it can happen at the SIM tray, I've heard, at the side right here. So at the base, and of course at the back. So I'm just gonna cut the tutorial here guys. So have any of you experienced this issue where you're seeing scratches with your camera lens? If so, please share. And as always guys, this recorder bringing just this problem that I've noticed. So in case anybody's experiencing it, in case you're thinking that it's you, just to highlight that it's not actually you. It's just seemed to be a quality control problem that Apple actually needs to remedy in their manufacturing process. Alright guys, Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.